Want a compact phone that's a gaming and camera powerhouse? Asus just unveiled the Zenfone 12 today, a $799 flagship with a 6.7-inch 165Hz AMOLED Snapdragon 8 Elite and a 50MP gimbal stabilized camera. It's trending big, and users are hyping pre-order demand. X is buzzing about its gaming chops. Stick around to see why this phone's stealing the show. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. It's April 2025 and Asus just dropped the Zenfone 12, a compact flagship that's got gamers, creators, and X users hyped. Priced at $799, it packs a 6.7-inch 165Hz AMOLED, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and a pro-grade 50MP camera with gimbal stabilization. Users are reporting crazy pre-order demand, and X posts are calling it a gaming beast. Let's dive into why the Zenfone 12 is turning heads. So, what's the deal? The Asus Zenfone 12 is a compact powerhouse with a 6.7-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, rocking a 165Hz refresh rate for buttery-smooth gaming and scrolling, perfect for Call of Duty Mobile or Cyberpunk 2077. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite on a 3nm process, it delivers 45% better CPU performance and a 40% faster GPU than its predecessor, paired with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage. The 50MP Sony LYT-700 main camera with 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer 4.0 ensures shake-free 8K video, joined by 13MP ultrawide and 32MP 3x telephoto lens. AI features like AI Magic Fill remove photo clutter, while AI Call Translator and on-device Llama 3 8B handle real-time translation and summaries. With a 5000 mAh battery, 65-watt hypercharge, and IP68 rating, it's built to last. Why is this trending? X users are geeking out over the 165Hz AMOLED, with posts like Zenfone 12's gaming performance is unreal. Snapdragon 8 Elite crushes benchmarks, scoring 9,818 on Geekbench 6, outpacing many 2025 flagships. Sources are noting pre-order demand, especially for its compact 6.7-inch design, smaller than the 6.78-inch Zenfone 12 Ultra, but just as powerful. The gimbal-stabilized camera is a creator's dream, offering steady 4K footage even while running, although users say it lacks the extra lenses of rivals like the Galaxy S25. At $799, it undercuts premium phones like the $999 Pixel 9 Pro, while keeping the 3.5mm headphone jack and Wi-Fi 7. This is Asus blending portability, power, and value for gamers and shutterbugs. Alright, let's get you in on this. Picture the Zenfone 12 in your hands. What's your vibe? Dominating Apex Legends on a 165Hz display? Shooting pro-level vlogs with gimbal stabilization? Or using AI to summarize emails on the fly? Drop your dream Zenfone 12 moment in the comments.